My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the scam that is related to the website Fastredirectmc2.click or by the similar site Fastredirectmc1.click. This particular website displays faulty alerts that try to make people download and install some potentially unwanted software. The website Fastredirectmc2.click displays a lot of scary messages mentioning that your computer is vulnerable before viruses and threats and other malware. The website indicates that you need to click on this Stay Protected button, supposedly to fix your computer with some reputable software. But the point is that after people mistakenly do that, after they click on that button, they may be forwarded to some other shady websites that may force customers into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. So please be very careful, do not ever interact with these pop-ups and do not trust any deceitful information that they report. Also, sometimes these pop-ups may display other ads and forward you to some other shady websites of a bad reputation. We recommend you to carefully research the control panel of your system, look for any suspicious programs and get rid of them from the list. So if you find anything suspicious in the control panel, get rid of it. Now, to make sure that the system is free of other hidden threats, I would also recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the software, and start researching the system to detect and eliminate other threats from your computer effectively. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.